current mileage and the engine hours, again, I have no clue what those engine hours, I mean, that's just crazy. AC seems pretty cool. Actually, it's pretty cold, about like all Dodges, don't blow the hardest, but radio works. It's actually pretty clean inside. Dusty where I got in there, gravel dust on my feet. Here's the VIN number. I'm gonna walk around, do the rest of the video, and just let it warm up a little so it's as warm whenever I pull the oil cap. See, I mean, it just, if it's gonna have blow by, it'll be show a little better with it warm. That's a big old inverter, I guess. Couple of holes there, but it looks good. Actually, this bed's in pretty good shape. 5,000-pound crane, 20-foot reach. Little bit of stuff there where it's paint's kind of wrinkled up, some little corrosion. But the bed boxes look great. Air compressor only shows 11 hours. Drawers are good and smooth. That one hung. That was hanging a little bit there. So they operate good and smooth. We'll get this blow by. I'll get this uploaded. Hopefully I don't get a call before I get it done. And I think my son, we're at his shop. I think he's putting 2 front tires on it now. because it drives it a little bit odd, and it's already been to the front end shop. So I think it's got good tires on the front. Let me ask him about that. I'll let you know, but it seems like, yeah, it's got really good tires on the front. What he's gonna put on it's highway tread. Let me know if you want those left on it or the highway tread. I'm gonna have him hold off on those